And straight up. Gotta grab him. I gotta stay leave it.
Yeah, bro. I'm for you.
Straight up. Me, bro. McCree, you shoot what you gonna do. You shoot what you gonna do. Grab his arm.
Incident. The 22nd of June 2023. Location, United States. Traffic stop involving convicted felon in possession of firearm.
Good. Can you roll all the windows down? Thank you. You know why I'm stopping you? No. Can you roll those windows up? One, you're speeding on Ivy's 35, and two, you don't got your headlights on and it's raining outside.
It ain't even raining.
It's raining back there where we were.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
You got your lights on? Huh? Oh my goodness. Is that McCree?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Haven't seen you in a while.
Going fishing.
You what?
Going fishing.
Going fishing? Where's the fishing pole?
In the trunk.
Gotcha.
You want to see it?
Huh? No, I'm good. You guys got your IDs on you?
No, sir.
Mind if I see them?
I don't got mine.
You don't got yours?
No, sir.
Thank you.
Feel free, man. Go ahead. Hand me the rolling tray.
Back to back 77.
Thank you.
Man, you don't got no weapons on you, right? No guns, nothing like that? Just keep your hands on the steering wheel, man. Thank you. You should have her hold your hands. I'm gonna take your seatbelt off for it.
Hey, Mom.
Don't call your mom McCree. Come on, dude. You've been through this too many times to call your mom, dude.
Just being retained for a drug investigation.
Drug investigation?
Yes.
McCree, you sweating a lot, bro. We weren't sweating when we started.
It's hot.
Ain't that hot. I'm wearing all this stuff. I ain't sweating. Oh, stop that nonsense. Well, it's hot as McCree, stop moving around the car. Put your hands on the dash. Put your hands on the dash. Stop reaching, McCree. Stop reaching now. Stop reaching. Stop it, McCree. Put your hands on the dash. Do it now. McCree, put your hands on the dash. Do it now. Yes, you are. Put your hands on the dash and do it now. McCree, hands on the dash now. Hands on the dash. McCree, get your hand out your pocket. Stop it. You're acting a fool.
On the back of his head.
You always pull this stuff. You haven't changed one bit, bro. Stop reaching. Hand on the dash, McCree. McCree, hands out your pocket and down. I don't have nothing. Put your hands on the dash. Can you please come up here? Man, they assume they gonna get a fucking lawsuit, bro. I'm trying to get in the car. Stay in the car until I tell you to get out. Man, I'm trying to get out, bro. I'm fucking finna pass out. It's hot.
What's his name?
Just comply. McCree.
Yeah. Put your hands on the dash and then...
It's hot, bro.
I understand that.
He trying to reach for something. I'm not reaching for nothing. I have nothing in my pocket.
Just put come over here. I'm going to keep on we'll let you get on out, man. Just comply first, all right?
Yeah. And straight up. Gotta grab him. I gotta stay leave it.
Yeah, bro. I'm for you.
Straight up, me, bro. McCree, you shoot what you gonna do. You shoot what you gonna do. Grab his arm.
Stop reaching.
Okay, bro. Okay. Can I put my pants up?
Stop. Let's go.
McCree, on the ground. Do it now.
Hey, go high and go low. Go low.
Someone go low.
Roll.
Hold up.
Roll him over.
We're trying. He's holding.
There you go. What's that?
Yeah, he's gonna do all of that.
Yeah, he always does. He always does, every time.
I don't have nothing, bro.
Okay.
Right, then why are you acting like this?
Because y'all beating me. I just got in the fucking car with my kids.
Someone hands it for me.
Give me the ball on the side.
I'm gonna start him on the Explorer.
Stop you kicking me for?
Kicking, I ain't kicking.
You kicking me for, bro?
I tell you get up.
Bro, what you talking to me for?
You stop.
Man.
Why don't you just listen?
What the you talking to me
You
for,
never
bro?
listen, bro. You never change. Haven't
The
seen you in
fuck?
3 years. You haven't changed one bit.
Out my face, bro. Man, move,
Let's get in
man.
that car.
You're doing
I ain't got
too
that.
much.
You gonna be able to get in the car, or are you just gonna throw a tantrum the whole time?
Get in the car for?
What do you think?
So you're gonna get up on your own because you're gonna have to go on the patrol car. Or you're gonna make it harder.
For what?
So we would like you to stand
What
up
am
on
I
your
going to jail
own.
for?
You're going to jail too, man.
For what?
For this, clearly.
For what?
It's called resisting. All right. So are you gonna stand up on your own?
Man, they just beat me up, bro.
You gonna get up? You gonna get up like a big man?
He keeps kicking me.
No, he kicking you. Y'all don't talk. Don't do nothing. Don't do shit. Don't move. Don't goddamn it move. They always do this.
Just so you know, what you just did was a
Man, he keep kicking me in my bed.
Don't keep
But that man keep kicking me, been kicking me the whole time, Bill.
now have battery LEOs.
Don't keep doing it. Don't keep fucking
Numerous
doing it.
battery LEOs.
Now I got bad on Leo. Now I got bad on Leo, bro.
Y'all need to stop that
Can you
shit.
bring it closer? Cause
Y'all fucking do that shit all the time because this name rang a bell. LeBron McCree, Baybo. Y'all did that same shit in my mother house. Come on, how the fuck you get
Bro,
that
they just keep me in my shit, bro. Y'all tripping, bro.
Y'all with this shit all the goddamn time.
Man, y'all just keep me the fuck.
They
Y'all
ain't still me
tripping, bro.
because I got lights and I ain't putting out no gun. I pull out my mother phone.
And my storm broke, bro.
Come on, man.
Get on me, man.
Stop. I'm actually letting you rest on me, bro. He's got 0 in the car. He's got a 0 or had a 0. How you want to do this?
Make contact with
The hard way.
so get up.
Come on, McCree. Up in sea daisies, buddy.
So you know you're under arrest.
Yeah, he under arrest, but y'all
And you're gonna be charged. You're gonna be charged with escape if you don't listen. All
I've been trying to escape. I'm not
stand up on
escaping.
your own. You're escaping
I'm
by
not
not
escaping.
allowing us. Okay. So you need to stand up on your
Bro,
own.
why y'all holding my neck like that,
Alright,
man?
You want to add more charges, man? Just get in the car.
How I'm add more charges, bro?
Stand up.
Man, let me go.
Stop resisting.
Handcuffs, bro.
Sir, you're resisting
Look, you're
arrest
failing.
right
I'm
now.
not resisting, bro.
You need to stand up.
I'm not resisting, bro.
You need to stand
Look
up.
how he check you, I'm not resisting.
Stand up.
Okay, but just stand up.
Man, look how this man was, he jacking me up.
Stand up on your own. All right,
Trying to say
sir. You need to stand up.
stand up.
Stand up.
Hey, do y'all realize he damn near 500 pounds? Y'all doing all that trying to pull him up?
He's not listening. Stand
Oh, look how he
up.
got his handcuffs.
Sir, you need to stand up on your own.
Man, these handcuffs, look how he got his handcuffs.
Why don't you ask him to stand up?
Baby, stand up. Baby, stand up. Okay, but let him stand up. I'm his mama. He'll get up for y'all. Why you got your hand on him? But why they got his hand on you? You feel this funny. This what they do to us kind. This what they do to us kind. You laugh.
I'm not laughing.
We the same color. We the same color. Why you letting this be like Rodney King?
You're going to get more charges.
Yeah, but I'm telling you, I'm his mother. I can get him out.
Okay.
But let him get up. Y'all ain't got to do that. Let me get him out.
Control. They have to try to have
Okay, but I'm watching him ringing his wrist.
That's the way we live.
No, that ain't the way. Baby, get up. Cause I ain't got time for you. Know I got a bad car. Get up.
He's just getting more charges if he don't get up. So he's trying to tell him to get up.
Baby, get up.
Yeah, okay. Stand up.
Kick your foot towards you, like this. Cross your leg, and then roll onto your knee.
Your mama coming to get you. Come on, man. There you go.
There you go. Onto the knee. There you go, man.
There we go.
That's what I want to know. Pull your pants up, boy. Okay, but I don't understand.
That's why I'm resisting, man.
Thank you, sir. Roll up onto your legs, okay? We're gonna help you up.
Bro, why don't you force me to stop, bro? That's crazy.
Baby, stand up on your legs.
Get onto your legs. Listen to your mouth,
God
man.
damn it, I come over to get you up because I'm sick of this, man. Get out.
McCree, get onto your legs.
Get up.
There we go.
This ain't making no sense. Put your shoes on and go. God damn it. You know my hard fucked up and fucking with me.
McCree, you need to walk.
Y'all forcing me to the car, bro.
Yes, you're going to
Okay,
jail.
y'all forcing me to the car.
Because you're not going.
Is this his? Hey, is this his?
Have we gone through it? I don't think it's been gone through Mamone and
We haven't
Haley.
wanted to go through it because we've been dealing with this.
Stop! Man, my fucking wrist.
Last time.
They fucking my fucking wrist, bro.
Okay, but the lady said they just slacking. Why you doing all this?
Can you calm him down if I get you there?
Yeah, because...
Come over here. Talk to me.
Baby,
Hey, hold on.
Baby,
Stop.
Baby, please.
Listen to your mom.
Please. Baby, please. Cause you f me up, boy. Please, won't you let me walk into the car. Get in the car, man. Get in the car.
We're trying to
walk.
Because they forced me to stay in twisting head code.
Okay, they ain't finna let you go. They finna let you go. You finna walk to the car by yourself.
Man, once I get in the car, bro, they're not gonna worry about me no more,
Baby,
bro.
come on, baby. Cause you know I'm up. You know I got heart feelings. Don't do this. Don't do this. Go get in the car.
I want to say, drag me to the car, bro.
Come on, they not finna. Go get in the car. Cause you fucking me up. They know how to call the ambulance for me. Get in the car.
He want to come be rough on shit, but he don't even search me, bro.
Sir, you got to be checked before you get in the car. Stop. Don't hit your head on the window on purpose.
You making everything longer process. All kind of stuff.
Bro, why'd you put a force on me for?
McCree, turn around.
You put a force on me for, huh? Finish searching me, bro.
McCree, turn around.
Please, baby. Don't even move. Don't even move. Don't even move.
You know, I probably got about 5 cent charges, bro.
I don't know what it's for.
5 cent charges, bro.
What I got.
I'm saying, can you get a bag or something?
Yeah, hold on to it.
Oh my God, why are you pushing me to the car, bro?
McCree, this is why you need to be searched.
Damn. Stop. Where that come from? That come off here?
Yeah.
Oh, you give that little shit I smoke, baby, because you ain't got to take you to jail for. I smoke that little shit.
You said you'll smoke it?
Yeah, hell, that little shit right there, ain't enough you can get nobody to jail for.
Nah.
I smoke that little shit. That little shit right there ain't nothing but 2 blunts.
We live in an interesting day and age.
Huh?
Nothing.
That ain't shit, that little shakes. What the bugs said.
He's gonna make all the laundry smell like weed now, though, too.
The laundry?
Yeah. He's got a bunch of shake in his pocket.
Oh.
So when you go to do the wash, hopefully he washed his clothes. Hopefully.
That's an ice pack. Yeah, he do it.
Okay, baby, sit sideways, get on in there and be doing this shit. And I can go home. Now, sit there, slide all the way back. Slide all the way back. You in a big truck now, ain't no use for that shit. Get on in now. Slide on back. Slide on back. Go back. Go back some more. Y'all got the air on in there, baby?
What's that?
The air on in there? Yeah. Okay, slide on back and turn yourself around. You in a motherfucking big old truck there. I can go see you back there, motherfucker. Come on.
I hope I'm
Okay, it's okay. Get in there. They say they check it. Tell the people at the jail. Get in there. Go all the way back. Bring your legs a little bit for they close the door. Come on, for they close the door. Okay, stop all that now. Okay.
Legal basis for stop. Fourth Amendment requires reasonable suspicion, 2 observable violations, speeding, failure to use headlights during rain. Conclusion, constitutionally valid stop. Case law, Pennsylvania 5, Mimms 1977. Officers have absolute authority to order driver, passengers out of vehicle during lawful traffic stop without additional suspicion. Basis, officer safety, Maryland v. Wilson 1997, extended this to all passengers. USC of 4 standard, Graham 5, Connor 1989, 3 mandatory factors, severity of crime, immediate threat, active resistance, flight. Evaluated from perspective of reasonable officer on scene, not 20/20 hindsight, applying Graham. Subject repeatedly reached, despite commands, toward waistband, pockets, potential weapon locations, physically resisted arrest. Legal conclusion, hard empty hand control is objectively reasonable. Search authority, United States 5, Robinson 1973. Following lawful arrest, officers may conduct full search without warrant. Purpose, weapons, evidence, safety. Terry v. Ohio, 1968. Pat down, authorized when reasonable suspicion of weapons exists. Critical charge, 18 USC, section 922G. Person convicted of crime punishable by imprisonment exceeding 1 year shall not possess firearms or ammunition. Penalty, 0 to 10 years federal prison, up to 15 years with violent priors. Mandatory minimums in many states. Resisting arrest, 2 categories. Without violence, passive resistance, going limp, verbal non-compliance, misdemeanor. 2, with violence, pushing, striking, active struggle, felony. Subject violated both equals charge stacking, legal consequences, scenario comparison. Scenario, a compliance. 1 charge, firearm possession, approximately 2 to 5 years. Scenario B, resistance, actual. 6 charges, firearm plus resisting, plus battery on LEO, plus escape, plus cannabis, approximately 10 to 20 years. Difference, 8 to 15 additional years due to non-compliance. Legal lesson 1, Fifth Amendment rights. Absolute right to silence, but must affirmatively invoke. I am invoking my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Bergwis 5. Tompkins, 2010. Mere silence is insufficient, must explicitly state. Legal lesson 2, practical tactics. 1, hands visible at all times. 2, yes sir, ma'am plus comply with safety commands. 3, never argue law on street. 4, request attorney immediately. 5, record if legal. Courtroom equals place to argue, not roadside. Conclusion, resisting police equals 0 legal benefit, only severe consequences. Even when officers are wrong, optimal strategy. Comply attorney court challenge violations, civil damages, section 1983 claim, cost of resistance, years in prison, benefit, none.
Thanks, Mom.
So what did it be weed now? That little weed?
Resisting, and I think he had a gun on him.
He had a gun? A gun? Why y'all just told me it was just in the red?
Well, I didn't know that. They just searched it.
Oh, Lord.
I just found that.
So.
I can't, it's out of my hands. I can't do
Well, we appreciate you calming him down.
Oh, sorry, baby.
No, you're good.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.